How to zoom in on Gmail. If you're a person with some visual impairments and your Gmail on your desktop looks a little bit too small and congested, then you can zoom in or zoom out. Now, I'm using Google Chrome on a Windows machine. This can be done on any computer, any operating system at all. Just go to your browser. I'll click on the three dots here at the end, and then I'm going to click on Zoom. Just click on the plus. You can make it as big as you want. You now see it's really big. Anybody without even using glasses can see what is written on the page. And if you want to revert, just come back and zoom, let's see, to 100. So this is the default, and everything goes back to normal. That is how to zoom in and zoom out on Chrome for Gmail. So if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Peace.